Hi everyone, I'm Erin Lebex. Welcome. Every time people talk to me about their writing, they seem to say they wish they were more concise. And I'm no different. I'm always looking for a trick to reduce my wordiness. Well, the good news is it's not difficult. So I'm going to bring out a few of these strategies video by video so you can just try something new in your writing each day, get a little more concise each time. What we're looking at today is something really easy, and it's just about the order of your words. When you have a long, out of control sentence and you want it to be tight, concise, clear, you do not have to go through crossing out all the little words. Instead, there's a strategy you can do that will just make the little words fall out. They'll just disappear, and it's this. Number one, think about who's doing something in the sentence, who's gonna, be in charge, the main character, and what are they doing? Then we're gonna put that stuff in the front. That's all it is. It's that easy. You will watch your words fall away. We're gonna try it twice real quick, and then you can try it, in your next email. It has come to our attention that your emergency contact information is needed to update our files. Okay, who is doing things? Is it the contact information? Is it the file? Is it me? Is it you? Is it the lack of information? I've got to figure that out if I want this to be more concise. Probably I'll write it as a we. And here is who's doing something, what are they doing? We need your emergency contact information to update our files. You will notice what kinds of words disappeared. The junky ones, the fluffy ones, things like to, it, has, in, our, on, if, right? And so in the revision, we are not seeing those words. Now I did a second revision with this one, please provide. That's our what? That's our verb. Where did our who go? It's the invisible you. Another great way to write concisely. You're still using the same trick. You just put who and what in the front. In this case, we don't have to explicitly say the who because it's you and it's assumed. Please provide your emergency contact information for our files. Let's do this one more time with another ugly, out of control sentence. See how easy it is. It is important to note, you'll notice these longer, slow lead-ins really have a bureaucratic vibe too, and that's not a fave with readers. It is important to note that we have not yet received the revised title from marketing. Again, who's doing things? Is it it? No, it's not. We need someone who's really doing things in the front. We haven't received what have we done? Not receive, right? We haven't received the revised title from marketing. Or who's doing things marketing? Maybe they're not ready. Marketing hasn't sent the revised title yet. In both cases, our sentence is shorter, more concise, certainly more clear. All right, so if you like these kinds of tricks, stick around, please subscribe. I'm coming out with clear and concise writing tricks every week, sometimes every day, and you can find a whole bunch of them at once in my book. If you'd like to check it out on Amazon, Kobo, if you're around the world, there are digital copies, very affordable, and I hope you'll find some help in that book. All right, so let me know in the comments what else you want to learn, and I'll see you real soon. Thank you.